Legal analysis of judgment, neutral citation. Number 2024 AAHC titled 5649, key points and an analysis. 1. Jurisdiction and procedural matters. Revenue Court. Jurisdiction. The judgment correctly determined that the suit property, being agricultural land, falls under the jurisdiction of the Revenue Court. The plaintiff's claim to establish their rights as co-tenure holders is specifically excluded from the jurisdiction of civil courts under Section 2062A of the Uttar Pradesh Revenue Code 2006. Inadvertent omission of jurisdiction. The judgment acknowledges that the plaintiff's counsel may have inadvertently omitted to mention the jurisdiction of the Revenue Court. However, this oversight does not affect the ultimate conclusion that the civil court lacks jurisdiction. Substantive issues intervene. Co-sharers' rights. The judgment clarifies that a co-sharer in an undivided property has the right to sell or assign their share without the consent of other co-sharers. The plaintiff's claim to prevent the defendant from transferring her share is not supported by law. Declaration and injunction. The judgment dismisses the plaintiff's prayer for a declaration of their shares and a permanent injunction restraining the defendant from transferring the property. The court finds that such reliefs are not available under the circumstances. Partition as solo remedy. The judgment emphasizes that the appropriate remedy for co-sharers in an undivided property is partition through a suit filed in the Revenue Court. Analysis of the judgment. Sound legal reasoning. The judgment is well-reasoned and based on established legal principles. The court correctly applied the provisions of the Revenue Code and the Specific Relief Act. Clear and concise. The judgment is clearly written and easy to understand. The court's analysis is concise and to the point. Correct conclusion. The judgment reaches the correct conclusion that the civil court lacks jurisdiction and that the plaintiff's claims are not maintainable. Conclusion. The judgment neutral citation number 2024 AHC 125649 provides a clear and concise analysis of the legal issues involved. The court's decision is supported by sound legal reasoning and is consistent with established principles. The judgment serves as a valuable precedent for future cases involving similar disputes. Note: while the judgment is well-reasoned, it is important to consider the specific facts and circumstances of the case. The applicability of the principles discussed in the judgment to other cases may depend on the particular facts and circumstances